Gazans lost everything, but they haven't lost hope. The war stole their memories, relatives, and homes, but not their hunger. Many families are struggling to afford food. This is why we are here, to help them. Today is Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025. We, الخدمت USA, in partnership with الخدمت Foundation Pakistan, are preparing hot meals for the needy and displaced people in the north of Gaza Strip. Stay with us. Helping the needy in Gaza is only possible with your support. Today, we are here because of you, because of your generous support. We've just arrived to Al-Amal Institute in Rimal in the north of Gaza Strip and ready to distribute the meals. Every meal is like a reminder that you are not alone and you are not forgotten. Thanks for being there for us.